Tanya from YWCA Nursery, and today we are talking about getting some color in your home, especially in the wintertime. There's all kinds of snow out there. Wow, there's a lot of snow, right? We've seen more snow this year than we have in a long time, but what that's doing is driving us inside where we need some color. So we're going to take a look at some colorful houseplants that will work beautifully in your home. So if we start on this side, we're going to work from your left to right. So beside me, this is one of my favorites. We've talked about this a lot. This is a stromat. Variety is called Trio Star, and we love, love, love the pinks of the backs of the leaf. This is a beautiful plant for your bathroom. Loves humidity, loves actually low light. It does not like the noon to 2 direct sun, which is kind of nice, right? So if you've got a north-facing window, this will do beautifully. Now, having said that, what's in front of it, these three are totally the opposite. These are Chinese evergreens. And look at the leaf color on these, right? You get some beautiful, beautiful leaves. You got some whites, you've got some pinks. There's a couple different varieties that are nothing but greens, beautiful subtle greens, but today's all about color. So Chinese evergreens, love, 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 lots of sun, lots of bright light, lots of heat, and they do phenomenal either as a floor plant or in a small pot like this, where they'll get bigger over time. Love this little guy. You've seen me talk about this before. This is a Black Queen ZZ plant. We love ZZ plants because much like the snake plants, that one's a variety of snake plant called Flame. But look at the two of these together. Beautiful pop of color. The nice thing with both of these is you don't need to water them. If you forget, they're so forgiving. They'll take low light to bright light. If we've got even some light, we'll get better color. If we've got no light, you've got a room with absolutely no windows and you're closing the door, you're still going to get a little bit of color, which is kind of nice. And the nice thing is they like to be dry all the way to the bottom of the pot. So you're watering every maybe 3 to 4 weeks tops. In front of me are some calatheas. And I love the calathea. I love the leaf texture. I am a sucker for leaf texture. When we look at these guys, or these ladies I should say, we've got some beautiful textures and beautiful colors, anywhere from the pinks to the dark greens to the whites, and a variety of different leaf shapes. Calatheas are fantastic for the bathroom and the kitchen. They love a little bit of extra humidity, so this is a really good one to do that tray of pebbles thing that we've talked about. You get a saucer, put some pebbles in there, put some water in there, and then stand the pot on top of the pebbles. So as the water evaporates, it helps humidify the space right beside it. Now I know we're zooming through this. We've talked about snake plants. That's one called Ghost. We'll come back to Flame. I'm just in love with the colors on this. Again, super easy plant. This is a spider plant called Bonnie, and she's got a little bit of a curl to her. Look at the curl on the leaf. Very, very pet friendly, and really, if you want to get into houseplants, don't know where to start with one of these. They're super, super difficult to kill, but again, amazing with cats. Your cat can chew this down to the nubs and the thing will be fine. Back in behind it is a rubber plant. Now this one loves full light, but look at the color of this. So it's really meant to be, over time, this will grow into a bush, so it'll ultimately be a floor plant, or it could be something that you're sitting on a sideboard where you've got a little bit more room. Loves heat and loves bright light, but again, to pair that with something like this, look at those color combinations, right? So we're thinking about the same kind of color combos that you would do your planters outside. Let's get those colors inside. With a few plant choices, there's lots of options for color, so let's brighten up your living room today. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.